You don't do that business, huh? Come on. Whoa, what was that? Was that the goat?
Yeah, that's a goat.
You're too slow. You have to make like this.
I don't run like that. You do.
You're younger than I am. Listen to this guy. You gonna go through the mud and come on over and let us see you?
Aw, he's cute. He's straight from Shrek.
Yeah. Come on, let's see.
Hey! Oh, he's so
Shed
cute.
your coat.
Look how big those ears are.
Or is that the way it goes?
He's young, don't you think?
Across the mud?
Whoa.
See?
Yeah, I know. Horses may bite. Yeah.
On this sign.
Nice dreads, man.
Look at his fashion. Look at those dreads. I can read. Thank you. Let's see. Don't make him angry. Do it.
Whoa. You sad?
The white one's
What's
got
that
his feathers
for?
up again.
What's the smell for? What's the
I think
smell
he's just
for?
calling for supper.
Oh, okay.
He's cute.
Yeah. He's still busy.
He's still.
Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.